Sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan naman natin itong tungkol sa PB 2023 SARO release. Ngayong araw po yan, April 30, 2025. Ayan, so upon checking nga po sa DBM, nakakita po tayo dito ng 8 mga bagong opisina na nareleasan na po ng PBB 2023 SARO. Ayan, unahin po natin itong nagmumula sa Department of Science and Technology, particularly po sa National Research Council of the Philippines, nakalagay dyan, to cover payment of fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus grant to 29 eligible officials and employees of NRCP. Pangalawa naman po ay nagmula sa Department of Foreign Affairs, particularly po sa Foreign Service Institute, nakalagay dyan, to cover payment of fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus. Pangatlo po, nagmumula naman sa Other Executive Offices or OEOs, particularly po sa Presidential Management Staff, nakalagay dyan, to cover payment of fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus of qualified officials and employees. Pang-apat po, nagmumula naman sa PCO o Presidential Communications Office, particularly po sa National Printing Office, nakalagay dyan, to cover payment of the fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus of entitled officials and employees. Panglima po, nagmumula naman sa Other Executive Offices or OEOs pa rin, particularly po sa Commission on the Filipino Language, nakalagay yan, to cover the funding requirements for the payment of fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus of 45 qualified officials and employees of the CFL per attachment. Next po, pang-anim naman, nagmumula sa Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development, DHSUD, particularly po sa Human Settlements Adjudication Commission, Central Office, nakalagay yan, to cover the payment of the funding requirements for the payment of fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus of 408 qualified officials and employees of DHSUD HSAC. Next po, pang-pito, nagmumula naman sa Department of Justice or DOJ, particularly po sa Parole and Probation Administration, Central Office, nakalagay to cover payment of fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus. At ang panghuli po, ngayong araw, April 30, 2025, ayan, nagmumula po sa Department of Trade and Industry or DTI, ayan, particularly po sa Opisina ng Construction Industry Authority of the Philippines or CIAP. Nakalagay dyan to cover the grant of the fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus. Alright? So far po, yan po yung 8 mga bagong opisina na nareleasan po ng kanilang PBB 2023 SARO. Ngayong araw po yan, April 30, 2025. Alright, so dito ko natapusin yung ating video ngayon mga maestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood na mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad ito yung mga updates pa rin about sa PBB 2023 and other benefits po ng mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!